We're standing here in front of the world's largest cuckoo clock here in Sugar Creek, Ohio.
Yeah.
They call it Little Switzerland. Yes, we did visit the world's largest cuckoo clock. Welcome to our 2021 summer road trip. We're going to see beautiful waterfalls and majestic mountains. Let me tell you all about it. What we're doing is we started about a 3-week trip through Indiana, Ohio, and West Virginia. And what we're doing is we're following this book, America's Most Scenic Drives. It was published by Reader's Digest. Right now what we're doing is a drive that they call the Amish Byways of Northern Ohio. Love you all. Take care. We're going to visit historic, spooky hotels, and we're going to stay in a castle.
What's that?
So this is the Hotel Millersburg. And right out behind me is Ravenswood Castle. And this is going to be our home for the next couple of days. So come on in, we'll show you around. So this is Ravenswood Castle. We're a little bit too early right now. We can't check in until 3 o'clock. We got here earlier than I anticipated. Have you ever spent the night in a castle before?
No.
Would you like to?
Yes.
We're going to see some unusual things along the way. We're going to visit the Amish areas in Ohio. Berlin, Ohio, the heart of Amish country. What do you see?
That.
We're taking a walk through Berlin, Ohio. This is one of the back streets. This is where there's a lot of Amish people living in the surrounding areas. They sell their goods here. But this is where they park their horses and buggies while they're in town.
Yeah.
How you doing there, partner? What do you think?
I don't know. That's it.
Felt a little funny. I didn't want to take video in there because it was so crowded.
Yeah.
And the Amish people were all working there. And it just, I felt funny taking video, so you didn't get to see it. We'll see historic covered bridges, New River Gorge, climb some towers, drive through some scenic mountain towns. Hi everybody, we're here at Hocking Hills State Park and we're on the Cedar Falls Trail. Kathy is feeling a lot better. The whole trail looks like, less than a half a mile. Might be some inclines and stuff like that. But we're going to give it a go. We want to see the waterfalls and it looks like a beautiful state park here. We're coming up on Ash Cave. This is 95 feet high and 700 feet across.
Yes.
It is absolutely massive.
Oh, this.
Yes.
What do you do with it?
Well, you don't do anything other than film it and look at it. I'm sure there's people that rappel off the top. Don't know how well you can see it, but there is a trickle waterfall coming from the very top all the way down here to the bottom. You can see the people getting underneath the water. What do you think of this waterfall?
I don't know.
What do you think of Ash Cave? It's massive. So subscribe to our channel. Let's visit some amazing places together. Come along with us. Love y'all. We're here at the Grist Mill in West Virginia, one of the most photographed mills in the world. And I am going to step out in the rain and get some video of it. I drove 1,143 miles to get here. I'm going to get it.
Okay.
This is in Babcock State Park in West Virginia. It is the famous Grist Mill. You can see the weather isn't the most accommodating right now. And I'm absolutely soaked. So I sure hope you hit that like button, comment on our video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Oh,
and Kathy is nice and dry.
And you're wet. I'm sorry.
But it was worth it.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful mill.
Yeah.
Y'all take care.